Hi everyone, today we are going to be learning about more or less. We're going to be talking about capacity, and that is how much a container can hold. So you need your workbook page, 295. You can see it on the screen. Make sure yours matches. If you look at the top, the title says capacity, more or less. And it has the picture of Digit on there, and he is making a pot out of clay. So make sure you have that. If you need to pause the video, go get it, and then come back with a pencil, and that would be great. All right. Okay, so which do you think would hold more? A big bucket of water or a little glass of water? If you said the bucket, you are correct. And that's all we're doing today. We're just comparing sizes of containers to see which container would hold more and which one would hold less. So let's take a look at number 1. We're going to circle the container that holds more and draw a line under the container that holds less. We'll take a look at the milk containers. We have a tall milk container and we have a short milk container. Which container do you think holds more? If you said the tall milk container, you are correct. Go ahead and circle that one. Circle that one on your paper. All right, and then we're going to draw a line under the smaller container because it would hold less milk. Let's take a look at number 2. We have 2 orange juice containers. Which container do you think holds more orange juice? If you said this tall one, you are correct. Draw a circle around that one. And then we will draw a line under the smaller container that would hold less orange juice. Okay, very good. All right, now if you take a look here, right there, just look at those 2 containers as they are. Okay. Container A was full. That's this one right here. Jack poured all the water from container A into container B. Okay, now look at this right there. That's showing what he did and what the water looks like now. Which container holds more water? Which container do you think holds more water? A or B? If you said B, you are correct. The reason is because look how full A is, where the water ends up. It's almost to the top of the container. But when he pours all of that into B, it's only halfway full in container B. So that tells us that container B is a larger container and can hold more water than container A. It looks like almost twice as much. So B would be the larger container that can hold more. All right, and that's it, you guys. So you need to complete the back of this page, turn it over and look. All right. For number 1, you're just going to draw a line under the container that holds the least this time. And then circle the container that holds the most. So you have a swimming pool, a bathtub, and a fish tank. For number 2 and 3, you have to complete the sentence looking at the picture. So look at A and B when they're just sitting there. And then the next picture beside it shows A pouring into B and what happens with the water. And then you have to tell which container holds more water, A or B. And then you have a review at the bottom. It's a subtraction. Remember, that's take away. starting with the ones. So let's do number 4 together just as a review. Just because I think it would be good to practice that. Okay, so remember, we're on the back of your page that we're working on, page 296. We're at number 4 at the bottom. It says, let me move this over. It says 67 minus 43. It's tempting to start here, but we don't want to do that. We want to start with the ones. Draw your line down. 7 minus 3 is 4. And then 6 minus 4 would be 2. And there's your answer, 24. All right, and you'll do the rest. And then you need to do your homework page, page 261, and the back of that, page 262. And that is it. All right, till the next time.